Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. It is time to find the winner of our I Won, So Can You, when I won from Becky's Empty Nest. Hey, let's get this party started and welcome to my channel. I've already got the URL in. We are ready to go. We filtered for duplicates and we've got the word Becky. We've got our number is 1 plus 4 is 5. And let's get our unique comments. We have 51. Thank you, that's wonderful. I want to wish you all the best of luck and let's find out who the winner is of this giveaway. Good luck to everybody and thank you for participating, and I really appreciate you supporting my channel. And here we go. Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Valerie B. She says, an awesome giveaway. The first time I've won anything was from Becky. Very pretty palette. I need to try the oatmeal face mask. It sounds soothing. The highlighter is a lovely color. I like the colors of the eyeliners and the lip liners. Nice lip gloss too. Thanks for showing your win. Well, congratulations, Valerie. I do have to double check to make sure she's publicly subscribed to Becky's Empty Nest, which it looks like she probably is because she has one from her before, and myself, and I'm certain she subscribed to me, but I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and it's official. Valerie B is our winner. So everybody, let's congratulate Valerie B. And Valerie, you have 48 hours to contact me and I will get your package out right away. And remember, you do have to have an address within the continental USA. You must be 18 years or older, and YouTube has nothing to do with this giveaway. Everything that is given, I have purchased on my own or been given or in one of my boxes. So anyways, Valerie is the winner, and I just want to say I thank you all for participating. There's another I Won, So Can You opportunity that is out there right now, so be sure and go enter to win for that particular giveaway. And as for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.